Now, welcome to this episode of our uh, algorithm. Now, in this episode, we're going to discuss about a math algorithm, and the topic is going to be prime number. Now, given a natural number of parameter n, determine if the number is a prime performance or not. Now, first, we have to understand what is a prime number. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that is not product of two smaller natural numbers. So, is 5 a prime number? Yes, 5 is a prime number. Why? Because 1 time in product of 5 or 5 in product of 1, the natural number that the product is greater than 1. Well, another example is a prime of 4. A prime of 4 as well is going to return a Boolean false, because a prime of 4, when you product 1 by 4 or 2 by 2 or 4 by 1, the number that you're going to get is the product of the two numbers is smaller than the natural number. So the product of the prime number of 4 is not a prime number because of 2 and 2. Now, with that said, let us jump into our algorithm function.